if you use WhatsApp for a long time and you want some update, then this video is more amazing for you. I'm gonna talking with you about some updates that are upcoming updates, so those updates can make your WhatsApp more amazing for your using purpose there. So what's that update? In this video guys, I'm gonna talking with you about these 5 updates are there. So to know about those updates, please watch this video till to the end. I'm Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Tech. Before just starting with this video, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification in the future. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start my this video with you guys. So the first update is that WhatsApp login and the logout option. In the Messenger and the Facebook, you get an option called logout and login. By that, you can use your Facebook and the Messenger in the multiple devices, and wherever you want to log in, by which device you want to log in, you can easily get access from that device in your Facebook and in the Messenger. But in the time of WhatsApp, you can't use this there because of your mobile number. But now in the upcoming features, WhatsApp take an update called the login and the logout features for you guys, by which you can get login and logout in your WhatsApp by your any device, and it may be more awesome for you because there haven't any hassle for you guys. The number 2 is the voice messenger listening for in the notification. Whenever guys you get a voice SMS in your WhatsApp, that time you need to open up that SMS in your chatting bar, and from here you can get just listen up that voice is there. But now you can listen up those voice from the notification bar too. Whenever it come to your notification, that time just click on that, and now you can listen up those voice in the voice messages in your WhatsApp. The number 3 is the more secure for you is the fingerprint lock in the WhatsApp. Here have another lock for you in your WhatsApp is in the permanently there in the update, and this update is also in the beta version is running here, and you will get that update here in the very soon. In the number 4, there is the UPI system in the WhatsApp for transaction. It is nowadays the more discussion topic in the WhatsApp is the UPI system. That means a payment system for WhatsApp, and this UPI payment system is testing is completed, and the WhatsApp authority is now going to take this feature in your WhatsApp very soon, and by that you can now transact your money from your WhatsApp to others like the Paytm or in the Google Pay transaction system like Skrill, Payza like there. So the last thing is your most awaited thing is that the dark mode in the WhatsApp. Now this dark mode is updated in the WhatsApp beta version 2, and most of the beta tester get this update here, and they use that dark mode is there, and I hope you will also get this beta testing update very soon. So these are the most updated things for you in the WhatsApp is there guys. So I hope you enjoy those updates for your WhatsApp, and this update make you more easier to use and more amazing to use. So this is the updates are there guys. I hope you all like these updates and use those updates there, and so this is the ending of my this video. So no more today guys. I hope you all get those update notice from this video, and if you guys like this video, then I request you please give a thumbs up this video, comment below which update you need mostly so that it will come very soon there, and share this video to your friends so that your friend also get the notification about those updates there. So no more today, we will meet in our next video. Till the end, take care, have a nice day.